In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever opened a PDF and wished the text used a different font, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to update it clearly and confidently. We'll move through the essentials, and I'll add helpful context so you know what to expect at each stage. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. The editing tools we're using are available in the full Acrobat app, and they may be limited in the free reader, so make sure you're in the version that supports text editing. Once Acrobat is open, bring in the file you want to work on. You can open it from your recent files, browse your folders, or simply drag and drop the PDF into Acrobat's window. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct document, especially if you work with multiple versions. Next, head to the Tools area to work with text. Look for the option that lets you edit text in your PDF. When you activate it, Acrobat will highlight editable text areas and open a panel where formatting options live. This is where you'll make your font changes. Now, select the specific text you want to modify. Click directly on the text so you see a bounding box, or right-click the text and choose the Edit option to place your cursor inside it. You can drag to highlight a word, a sentence, or an entire paragraph, whatever you'd like to change. If the cursor won't land on the text, it may be part of an image or a scanned page. In those cases, Acrobat may prompt you to recognize text before you can edit it. With your text selected, open the Font menu in the Formatting panel and choose the font you want. As you pick a font, Acrobat applies the change immediately, so you can see the result right away. You can stay in the same panel to fine-tune details like size, style, and spacing to keep your layout balanced. If a particular font isn't available, it might not be installed on your system or embedded in the PDF, and Acrobat will substitute the closest match. For consistent results across devices, stick with common fonts or ensure your chosen font is installed on your computer. Work through each section of text you want to update using the same approach. Select it and choose your font from the menu. Take a final pass through the document to confirm everything looks consistent and that line breaks and spacing still read well after the change. And that's it. Simple, direct, and effective. You've just changed the font in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat.